Looking for a Bluetooth speaker that delivers insane power, booming bass, and non-stop playtime? We've ranked the top 5 best powerful Bluetooth speakers of 2025, and trust us, you don't want to miss what made it to number 1. From pool-proof monsters to portable party machines, this countdown has it all. Stick around till the end, because the best one might just blow your mind. And your windows. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the mighty Bose SoundLink Max, and trust us, it's Max in all the right ways. This portable powerhouse packs serious sound, delivering deep bass, crisp highs, and a full-spectrum audio experience that only Bose can deliver. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or chilling by the pool, the IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating means it's built to handle life's messy moments. With up to 20 hours of battery life, the party doesn't stop until you do. And thanks to its USB-C charging and built-in 3.5mm AUX input, connecting your devices is smooth and flexible. Plus, the sleek black design gives it a modern, rugged feel that looks as good as it sounds. This speaker isn't just about blasting music, it's about delivering Bose-level performance anywhere you go. If you love bold, immersive sound with long-lasting power, the SoundLink Max brings the energy every time. Stick around, things only get louder from here. Rolling in at number 4, the Marshall Tufton is a speaker that doesn't just play music, it performs. With its iconic black brass design, this portable Bluetooth speaker screams rock and roll attitude while delivering multi-directional sound that fills the room, or the outdoors, with rich, dynamic audio. Behind its classic amp-inspired look is a beastly battery offering up to 20 hours of playtime, making it your all-day road companion. The 3 Class D amplifiers ensure tight bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, all wrapped in that signature Marshall tone. And with Bluetooth 5.0 and a rugged, water-resistant build, it's as reliable as it is stylish. The Tufton isn't just for show, it's built to roar. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or just turning up the vibes at home, this speaker turns every moment into a headliner performance. Big sound, bold design, and rock-solid durability, Marshall Tufton is the sound of freedom with an edge. Stay tuned, because the top 3 are bringing serious thunder. Taking center stage at number 3 is the Sony SRS-XV800, and if you're looking for a speaker that turns any gathering into a full-blown party, this is it. With omnidirectional sound and ambient lighting, this beast doesn't just play music, it sets the mood from every angle. It's designed to move the party with you, literally. Thanks to the built-in handle and wheels, you can roll this powerhouse wherever the night takes you. And once it's there, you're getting up to 25 hours of non-stop battery life, so your playlist outlasts even the most energetic crowd. The IPX4 splash resistance means poolside parties, and sudden spills are no sweat. But wait, there's more. It's a karaoke machine too. Plug in a mic, cue up your favorite anthem, and take the spotlight. The X-Series sound engineering makes everything loud, clear, and booming with bass. The SRS-XV800 isn't just a speaker, it's your portable party crew. Don't blink, the top 2 are absolutely next level. At number 2, we've got a speaker that doesn't just break the sound barrier, it obliterates it. Meet the ultimate ears Hyperboom, the king of loud, the master of bass, and the go-to for anyone who believes louder is better. This portable and home-ready speaker delivers massive sound with thunderous bass that shakes walls and hearts alike. With adaptive EQ that automatically balances audio based on your environment, the Hyperboom keeps things crisp whether you're indoors or raging outside. It's got a 150-foot Bluetooth range, so no more babysitting your phone while you party. The IPX4 water resistance and USB-C charging make it both rugged and modern. It even features a one-touch music control panel and seamless switching between 4 devices. That's convenience and chaos working together. If you want a speaker that sounds like a music festival and feels like a force of nature, the Hyperboom is it. And just wait till you hear number 1, it's a game changer. Ready to drop the grand finale? Send over number 1. Claiming the top spot is the one, the only, JBL Boombox 3. When it comes to raw power, unbeatable durability, and chest-thumping bass, this beast reigns supreme. JBL took everything great about the Boombox series and cranked it up to 11. The result? Massive sound, the deepest bass in its class, and the kind of audio that feels as much as it's heard. Built for everything from rooftop rages to beach bonfires, the IPX7 waterproof rating means it can handle full submersion. No worries, no limits. With a battery that keeps the beat going for a full 24 hours, this speaker isn't just loud, it's relentless. And thanks to Party Boost, you can pair it with other JBL speakers and really shake the neighborhood. Its bold black design screams toughness, and trust us, it backs it up. If your idea of a good time involves walls shaking and hearts racing, JBL Boombox 3 is your ultimate sound weapon. That's our countdown. Which one are you bringing to your next party? That's it for our top 5 Bluetooth speakers of 2025. Which one's your pick? Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.